Center. Great seats are available now at the box office and Ticketmaster. Remember, tickets make a great holiday gift. For more information, visit WWE.com.
You guys kick ass. Hi, this is Chris Rusev, and this is Dan from the League of Metallica. Hey, this is Stu and Rudy from the Dave. Hi, this is Chris Cornell.
This is Angus Young of AC/DC.
Hey, this is Tyler from Theory of Dead Man. 2007 is coming up.